Hello, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today we're gonna learn the sorting algorithm, we can make our own sorting algorithm. So there is like 7 to 10 sorting algorithm. So we're gonna make the first and with which the programmer used to learn the first algorithm of sorting is the bubble sort. So we're gonna start with the bubble sort in C++. Let's see how it begin. Let me show you guys how bubble sort works. I'm just gonna make a random array, and I will just gonna apply a bubble sort on them, and you will see how the bubble sort works. Now look at that. On every iteration, it will just put the one value to the right index. It will just take the biggest value to the rightmost index, like the 50. Now here, the 50 is being sorted and it will place on the right index which it belongs to. Now the second largest value will be sorted, like 48 will be placed on the right index. So bubble sort in one iteration sort one particular index, one particular value at one iteration. So that's why the complexity of the bubble sort is n square. This way it will just sort all the values to the array. Have you seen that? It will just swapping the values. The previous value, which if it is less than the other value to the next value, then it will just swap it. Now 2 and 26 has been swapped because 2 was less than 26. That's how it works. 2 and 15 swap, 4 and 26 swap, 19 26 swap. That's how it works on every single iteration. It just swap the value. If the previous value is less than the next value, it will just swap it. Now look at that. The whole array is being sorted now. It's just cross-checking it to the last index and the whole array is sorted. So that's the visual representation of the bubble sort. Now let's code it in our editor. What we need, we need to make a function called bubble sort, in which we will pass an array. We will call it number array. Number. What we need to do, we need to make a for loop integer I equals 0, I less than size I plus plus. For integer j equal I plus 1 and j less than size minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, you can also do the thing is that from the 0 over here, like I started like j is equal to I plus 1. If you do from the 0, like j from the 0, j less than size minus 1, then what it will do, it will just repeat some iteration, like it will compare the first value to first value itself. What I have done there, I'll just make it a bit more faster than the normal than the standard bubble sort functions. So here it is giving the error of size. We just need to provide the size as well, and the error will be gone. Okay, what we need to do now, we make a if condition. If number of I is greater than number of j. So that's what I'm doing, but we have seen over there. No, number. Okay, I'm just saying that if the previous value is greater than the next value, then we just need to swap it. But that's what we have seen in the visualization of the bubble sort. So what we need to do, either we make another function or we can code it just like over here. We just need to make a temporary variable in which we will save the value of number of I, and number of I will be equal to number of j, and number of j will be equal to temp. Either we can do it like this, or we can just make another function like this, void swap, in which we will get integer a and integer b, Actually we need to send the address, so we don't need to return the values. Okay, like this. So if you use the address, what it will do, it will just go to the original value in memory, and it will change the value over there. We just need to make integer temp, same condition as well. A is equal to b, and b is equals to temp. Similar way. Here you go. B is equal to temp. Either you can make the function and call it in the if condition like this, swap, and just pass the value of number of I and number of j. You can do both ways, so whichever you feel like it's easy. So right now I'm just doing the traditional way, so you don't find it very difficult. Okay, I'm just using this. I just command the swap condition. So if you need that, you just need to command these three instructions. If you need these instructions, you just need to command that swap function. Okay, now bubble sort, the function has been completed. We just need to print it. So we need to make a for loop in which we'll go from 0 index to the last index size, and that's it. We just need to print the cout number of I. We will just put some spaces so it is more visible. Now we need to go to the main function. We need to make an array, integer a, let's say 8 values. We'll set values like 1, 50, 9, -4, -11, -50, 6, and one more value like 10. Okay, here you go. We just set this value. We need to call bubble sort and pass a and the size of an array, which is 8. Either you get the size like this. If you don't know the size of an array, I also told you guys how to find it. You just have to do like this: size of array, and you have to divide the size of array with 0th index, like the size of the 1 index. That's how you also can find the size. And that's how you can find the size if you don't know it. Now let's run it and find out what the answer it gets. Okay, so our array was this, and what the answer we get. Let's print the our array as well, so you can get the more better vision. Like for loop and I equals 0 less than 8 I plus plus cout a of I. Okay, cout backslash sorted array. Let's run it now. So our array was like 159 -4 -11 50 60 10. After sorting, it just turns back to the array which is completely sort: -11 -4 1 6 9 50 50 10. Okay, the last index is not sorted because we have done one thing. Wait, is this? We have to make it equal, or we just need to like do like this. Now the last index will also be sorted. Now here you go. We have done the less than size -1. If you want to do the size -1, we just need to do the equal sign as well, like this. We missed the equal sign, that's why the last value is not sorted in that. If you do like this, the last value will also be sorted. We just missed this equal sign, so do check this sign as well if you want to do till the last size -1. But if you just do the like this, uh, less than size, it will do the work as well. So it's your go. So that's it for the lecture today. I will make another video of selection sort now, in which I will tell you how the selection sort work. So the thing is, this sorting algorithm is not very efficient. It will take n square time. So in programming competitions and in other like uh, developing sectors, but we don't use the bubble sort because it takes so much time. It takes the n square time. So the fastest sorting algorithm which we had is right now, it is n log n time. So this one is like a bit more inefficient, but still the programmers, when we start sorting algorithm, we learn this particular sorting algorithm. So in the next lecture, we will start with the selection sort. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.